In this video, we will assemble the electrical system of the machine. This is a set of electrical cables. The part in this direction is for the x-axis, and the other end is for the y-axis. We use M4 by 12 screws to fasten them to the axis. Attach the y-axis to the two existing screw holes on the top. Continue with the x-axis, which has 3 screw holes positioned. And this is the final position that connects to the z-axis. Next, add the connection in the Z-tag assembly. There is a 24-pin connector here. We will plug it in here. This 4-pin connector is for the x-axis motor. We will connect it to the step X terminal on the circuit. This 3-pin connector is the x-axis and stop. We will see that on the circuit board. It will be labeled as and stop X. We will plug it in there. In addition, there is this 4-pin wire. It's the cable for the camera. Plug it into this camera jack. Next is to plug the air hose into the corresponding position. Then, we will connect them onto the machine's main electrical control box. Here we have 2 4-pin wires used for step Y1 and Y2. The remaining wire in the set is the Endstops one. Plug the 2 4-pin cables into the step Y1 and Y2 connector. If they run in the opposite direction, we can swap the positions of the 2 cables. The remaining position is for the Endstops wire. There is a USB cable in this location. This is the bottom camera USB cable. Furthermore, there is the camera's left wire marked as left box. Following that, plug in the 24-pin signal cable. We will plug the pump air hose in here. This is the 12-volt power cable used to power the feeder. We will connect this jack to the 12-volt power input. In my hand is the USB cable from the Z assembly, which is used for the top camera. And this is the bottom camera's wire. And this 2-pin cable, we will connect it to the USB RS485 for controlling the feeder. We will connect it to the computer, supply power, and begin the first start in the next video. Goodbye!